Everybody laughs at me when they hear that I am doing cooking. But you know what? I am good at cooking a few dishes which can be done in a simple way but which can be very delicious. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook dal in a familiar way or the red lentil soup. For doing that, we need red lentils, some salt, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and also one small onion and a tomato. I'm going to use 2 pots of red lentil, 1 teaspoonful of ginger, 1 teaspoonful of garlic, a little bit of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoonful of table salt. I'm going to cut the onion into fine pieces and the tomato into a few chunks. The first thing that you'll need to do, you'll need to wash the red lentil couple of times. Then put reasonable amount of water on it and put it on the stove. Put one teaspoonful of salt and then some turmeric powder. Can you see the color? And let it boil for a while. What you'll need to do, you'll need to stir it so that the red lentils get softened and get mixed up. Here is my tomato and onion. I'm going to put the tomatoes into the red lentil on the pot. And for your dal, you need a wooden spatula like this. And you'll have to do like this every now and then so that the dal gets mixed up with the water. Can you see how it has been changing? And you know what? When you are cooking, if you keep staring at your food with passion and love, you'll get a wonderful dish in return. Thank you for bearing with me in my casual cooking. Can you see how it is coming along? And this is where you need the wooden spatula. You need to do this for a while so that the lentil, they melt down in the hot water. You'll have to do this for a while. Every now and then. And here, I'm preparing for the second stage. I have poured some oil on it. I'm using olive oil here, but you can use vegetable oil as well. Now I have put my onions onto the saucepan with olive oil, and you can see I have added some butter as well for some extra flavor. And can you see what's happening here? It's coming up well, it's looking great. Continue using your wooden spatula some more while you fry your onions until it gets reddish brown. And you know what you'll do then? You'll pour the hot onion fry into the dal, and this is where you get the flavor. Can you hear the beautiful sizzling sound? Yes, it is coming along. And here is the dal. I've also added some ginger and garlic onto it. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to pour this into the dal, and then we'll be ready. Here it is. I've poured all the fried onion into the dal, and then you'll have to do some more mixing, and your dal will be ready. Thank you for your patient watching. See you next time.